Recording in progress.
Good morning. Let's go ahead, everybody. Carry forward and set off of losses. Yes, still here. Salary बच्चों loss can be adjusted against. There is no concept of loss from salary. है कि नहीं? House property loss can be adjusted against. Which other heads बच्चों within the head of income allowed and outside बच्चों which head of income? All allowed, correct. PGPP बच्चों, we have three types of PGPP losses: normal business loss, speculative business loss, and specified business loss. Yes, still all of you? Correct, no? हाँ. Normal business loss within the head of income. Tell me. Adjusted against everybody within the head of income. Yes, within the head of income. Correct. The normal business loss outside the head of income. All except salary. Clear till here? I'm just doing a quick revision. Okay, just of allowed and not allowed. I'm not going into other details. Then this speculative business loss and specified business loss. What is common? It can be adjusted only against its respective income. Simple. That's why those losses, bachcho, in fact, cannot even be adjusted against other heads of income that we had covered. I am not again going into details. Capital gain, yes. Within the same head of income, there are a little bit differences. Short-term capital loss. So short bachcho can go to short or big. Or that is long. So short-term capital loss can be adjusted against short-term gains or long-term gains. But long-term loss can be adjusted only against bachcho long-term gains. And capital gains overall, or there is a loss from the head of income capital gains loss, can be adjusted against any other head of income? None at all. Okay? Fine. Fine, all of you? Casual income, lottery, betting, those games, etc. Okay? It is kind of, if at all you have a loss on it, it is a dead loss. Dead loss means what? Dead loss. You cannot utilize the loss. That loss cannot be adjusted against any other income. That loss cannot be also carried forward. Yes, that is called as dead loss. Finally, and even if you have betting income, lottery income, if you have, even any other loss, you can't reduce from lottery or betting income. That is casual income. Clear? Because we had also seen in bachcho iOS, we can't take any deduction. So similarly, here also bachcho, no type of loss can be adjusted against betting or lottery winning. Clear? Race horse business also we have covered. Alright? Again, that loss bachcho can be recovered only from that income only. Race horses business. Hai na? Fine. Then, okay. What is the upper limit for set off of house property loss from other heads? What is the monetary limit? Monetary limit 2 lakh rupees. Correct, Leo? Fine. And in most of the cases, again I am saying bachcho, most of the cases, in the subsequent year of losses, that means whenever the loss has occurred, after those years we call them as subsequent years. So generally, the carried forward losses can be adjusted only against the same head of income, isn't it? This is bachcho true in case of what? House property. Also true in case of bachcho PGPP. Hai ki nahi? Yes, still here all of you? CG to bachcho doesn't go only anywhere else. So capital gain loss is in the same head of income only. Okay? Chalo. Let's go ahead, everybody. Chalo. Section 80. Submission of return of losses. Understand. Now, bachcho, we are talking about ITR, income tax return, or we also call it as return of income, ROI, return, not return on income. It is return of income. That means how much income you have earned. Hai na? So, if at all you are showing losses in the return, there are two important points. That first of all, you are adjusting the loss against some income. That is one thing, set off. And another thing, bachcho, you are carrying forward that loss. That can be done, bachcho, only through ITR, income tax return. That means to carry forward the losses, you need to file income tax return or show that return as a loss return. What do we call bacho? It as loss return. Understood everybody? Again, honestly or frankly, loss returns are also bacho in a way very, you can say, problematic for the department, because that losses will be carried forward also in future. That means in future also you will reduce your income. Okay everybody? So again they have to be looked in a way they are shown as in a suspicious way they are looked at. Okay, in later on also we'll see some cases of revision of returns. Revision, you can revise the return. So we'll talk about that also later on. Okay, so check what does the section 80 say. Submission of return of losses. Notwithstanding anything contained in this chapter, no loss which has not been determined in pursuance of a return filed in accordance with subsection 3 of 193, basically 193.3, shall be carried forward and set off under section 72, 73, 73A, 74 or 74A. Okay everybody, just try to understand what is it saying. Okay, house property bacho loss was what? 71B. Please understand, can you see section number 71B mentioned over here under section 80? Good Indrajit. No, it is not. है ना? What is overall section 80 telling you? That you have to file income tax return if at all you want to carry forward, okay, the losses under 72, 73, 73A, 74 and 74A. Check. 72. Yes, still here? Then 73, 73A. Yes, all of you? Correct? 74 and 74A. 74A we have horse running also here. है ना? And 74. Correct everybody? अरे हाँ बच्चों, tell me. 74 capital gain. Okay, that means for these losses you need to file bachcho return, okay, with an ROI due date. Yes, still here? Then ready? Priority of set off. Understand now, priority of set off. Now whatever current year adjustments we have, so basically you have to see who should we give the first priority. Current year depreciation or expenses, if it is given to you in the question that current year depreciation or expenses had not been provided, first we'll provide for that. Okay everybody, first we'll provide for that. Then intra source means within the same head of income. Then pay attention. Then we go to the other heads of income in the same year, isn't it everybody? Okay, so PGPP bacho, if current depreciation not provided, first provide that. Then after that whatever remains, okay, we'll check within the same head of income. Then we'll go to the other heads of income. Correct earlier? Then try to understand till point number C bacho, what is common? What do you think? Till point number C, ABC, but what is common between ABC? All of you? Akshay? Correct. Everything is about current year. Current year depreciation. Current year same head of income. Current year other heads of income. Correct? So basically get your organization or get all your working done for the current year. And then, bacho, you are going for brought forward business losses. Yes? Brought forward or unabsorbed depreciation. You had loss in the earlier years, depreciation was provided. Provide for it actually right now when you have profits. Okay? Unabsorbed capital expenditure on scientific research. Well, that means because of that you are incurring some losses. Unabsorbed expenditure on family planning. Clear all of you? Let's go ahead everybody. Done. Speculative loss is what बच्चों importantly, most importantly, it is बच्चों other than delivery. Yes everybody? Other than delivery, है ना all of you? But again for your understanding, I am not again going into too much of details, but the following shall not be deemed to be speculative transactions. Okay, the income tax department bachcho has given the clarity and I have written that clearly, it is out of syllabus. Okay. Now the hedging contracts and derivative contracts, if at all, they are not to be considered as speculative transactions. So income or loss from them, which bachcho, hedging and derivatives, income or loss from them, from hedging or derivatives bachcho, will not be treated as speculative income or speculative loss. So it will be treated as normal business income or normal business loss. Understood all of you? Then loss from overdraft transaction which will be deemed as normal business loss. CTD is what? Just like we had STT, securities transaction tax. CTD is commodities transaction tax. It is net payable on commodity derivatives relating to agricultural commodities. Hence, income or loss would be speculative in nature. Fine, that's okay. Section 70. In case of a loss, in case of any source of income, it can be adjusted against the income under the same head of income, subject to exception. Subject to exception means what? First priority again will give to the same head of income, but there are certain exceptions. Let us say long-term capital loss can't be adjusted against short-term capital gain, है ना? It is compulsory to set off losses within the same head of income. You can't choose not to set off. I mean, you don't have an option. Just like in PGPP, we had seen depreciation, है ना? Even there we were told, or we had the case that depreciation has to be mandatorily claimed. You can't choose that I will forego 1 year's depreciation and claim it in future. No. You have to compulsorily calculate or compute it or take it. Clear? So it is important to adjust in the same head of income. When it comes to other heads of income, that is your choice from which exactly you want to adjust. Okay? So, in case of a loss, in case of any head of income, it can be adjusted against income under any other head of income also. Hai na? What is given clear cut here? This inter head or with the outside the head of income. Understand, again use common sense. If income from a particular source is exempt, then the loss from such source also cannot be set off against any other taxable income. Example, bachcho. Any example you can think of as an exempt income, tell me. First example, bachcho, let us say agricultural income. Tell me, bachcho. Is agricultural income exempt or no? It is exempt. Can I reduce, let us say, house property loss from agricultural income? Is there any benefit? Because as soon as it is visible and then immediately it is gone. Why? You showed as income and the source itself is exempt. Correct, all of you? Thus, therefore, if there is actually a loss from that same source, agricultural loss, your expenditure is more than income, hai na bachcho? Then can I reduce that loss from some other taxable income, salary or house property or BCBP? Also no. What is this is bachcho, you can say what common, this is like you can say equal treatment. If income was not taxable, even loss bachcho is to be ignored. If income is ignored, even the bachcho loss is to be ignored. Clear on all of you? Understood? Good. And loss bachcho under the head IOS, quite rarely, but loss from letting out of property. I think we had done an example. Vacant land, remember? Because land can come under house property also, land or building or both. If both of them are there, then we can put it under house property also. If building is clear cut there, you know. But if it is a vacant land without any building, and that vacant land is given on rent, cricket ground or let us say any, you can say markets, your weekly markets are there, you know. or a fair or some event has been organized, that बच्चों income can go under IOS. So for example, because we are in the chapter of losses, so let us say your expenditure is higher than the income, or there was no income, only great income from that source. Okay, so loss from letting out of property, or expenditure incurred in excess of interest earned. Okay, whatever, such loss can be set off against income from any other head of income, even salary. But generally बच्चों, there is no loss from IOS generally. The balance, pay attention, however, the balance loss cannot be set off, sorry, not cannot be carried forward, it shall lapse. That means it is now a dead loss. Whatever is carried forward from IOS, that will be treated as बच्चों what? Dead loss. Clear? All of you? Dead till here? Okay. Long-term capital loss on sale of such shares units of 112A can be set off and carried forward for set off against long-term gains by section 73 and 74. Basically 112A loss can be carried forward as well as set off. Okay, and this also we have covered just now. Loss from an exempt source cannot be set off against profits from a taxable source. Just now we saw na, which one? Agricultural income बच्चों. अरे हाँ, clear till here? So if there is a loss from agriculture, you cannot set it off against any other taxable income, because if income was बच्चों not taxable, so even loss cannot, you cannot take benefit of loss. For example, share of loss from partnership firm cannot be set off against business income, because profit from the firm itself was exempt na, under 10(2)(a). Understood till here? Everybody done? अरे हाँ, चलो, can we go ahead everybody? Have you done question number 12 बच्चों? 12 is done? Not done? 14 I think was done. 14. Okay, चलो, come to बच्चों question number 12. Oh, it's a big question, no problem, but you are smart students, no? You can definitely do it. Ready? Question number 12. In your notebook, write down. Question number 12, 11.8. Ready? Mr. Batra furnishes the following details for the year ended 31st March 23. Short-term gain, loss from speculative business, long-term gain on sale of land, this is your normal LTCG, long-term loss on sale of shares, STD not paid, but again your 112 correct, loss, LTCG. Income from business of textile after allowing current depreciation बच्चों obviously है ना. Income from activity of maintaining and owning race horses, loss from activity of maintaining and this, so these two can be adjusted against each other, and loss from HP. Do we have salary income? No. Following are brought forward losses. Okay, losses from activity of owning and maintaining resources pertains to AY 1617. Okay, AY बच्चों, please understand, AY 1617. $25,000. Okay, and remaining can be of your current year. Okay, of that particular 25,000 बच्चों. Okay, brought forward loss from business of textile 60,000. Loss pertains to AY. It was already 1617 ही था. Okay, sorry. तो 1718 AY. Thank you. And here बच्चों 1211 है ना, 1213. Okay. Textile na. Brought forward was loss from business of textile 60,000 burdens to AY 1213. I think it is now a dead loss. 8 years has gone na. We'll check that. है ना? 8 years are gone. Compute GT of Batra for AY 23-24. Also state the eligible carry forward losses for the AY 23-24. Ready all of you? चलो. What table बच्चों we prepare? Loss and income, है ना? STCG. Then speculative loss. Correct? LTCG on sale of land. LTCL. Correct? Income from business of textile. That is your normal business income. Correct? Normal business. Income from activity of owning and maintaining race horses. Again, your business, so race horses business. It is income, na bachcho? Race horse business. And there is also loss, race horses bachcho loss. Next line if you'll see. है ना? Finally, your race horses. And loss from HP. HP loss. Finally, all of you? If at all we have to check, we will check this point number A and B later on, okay? Tell me. What speculative? Everywhere no, tell me. Correct. So no. Speculative loss cannot be adjusted against anybody except speculative income, which we do not have. LTCL बच्चों only against LTCG, remaining all no, है ना? Race horse बच्चों only against race horse, remaining बच्चों no, we cannot adjust, है ना? And house property बच्चों everywhere, yes, even race horse. Race horse is बच्चों not betting or a casual income, okay? So yes. Finally, chalo. Computation of total income of Batra for AY 23-24. Particulars rupees. Do we have salary income now? No. Ready everybody? First one. STCG, I think it is given to you in the question first, you know? Or you can start with anybody. But in the question, bachcho, you can reduce only house property, so we'll give it the priority, na, first. So less bachcho HP loss. So how much is STCG? 1,40,000. Less HP loss, house property loss. How much is that? 40,000. Can you reduce बच्चों anything from STCG now? No, na. Now बच्चों I'll take STCG on the outer column 1 lakh. Okay. Can we go ahead, everybody? Next one, income. LTCG बच्चों कर लियो on sale of land. LTCG on sale of land. How much? 30,000. What can I reduce? LTCL only, no? ओनली बच्चों 30,000 है कि नहीं? कर लिया. Then normal business income you have. How much we have? 50,000. Anything much we are reducing from there? HP is already reduced, correct? HP is already reduced, so take outer column 50,000. Okay. Then your racehorse business. How much बच्चों? Income 15,000, 15, and less loss from racehorse business. Losses of 1 lakh we can adjust only बच्चों 15,000 है ना? ठीक है. Total income. How much बच्चों it is? 1,50,000. Simple. 1,50,000. Yes, still here? So the notes. Losses to be carried forward. Okay. So loss rupees, number of years. First look at our in the current question. Loss from speculative could be बच्चों adjusted anywhere? Nowhere. So first one, speculative loss. How much? 60,000. How many years? All of you tell me. Four years. AY what? 28 na? 24, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Correct earlier all of you? Speculative loss. Then which loss we have from the LTCL बच्चों adjusted? No. LTCL on shares. How much? 70,000. Correct now? All of you tell me. Total loss was of 1 lakh. We adjusted 30,000. So balance was 70,000. Total how many? 8 years. That is still AY 32. 31, 32 is it? Correct na bachcho? LTCL on shares. Then racehorse business. How much was the loss? 1 lakh. How much could you adjust? 15,000. So balance loss 85,000. How many years? Also bachcho again 4 years. Are हाँ. Done till here? We are going ahead bachcho. HP loss to be adjusted. Now what about this comments? These two comments, tell me. Loss from activity of owning and maintaining resources pertaining to AY 17-18. Okay, good Indrajit. 18 now. So 19, 20, 21, 22. AY 21, 22. Already lapsed. So I'll write down that also. Okay. Racehorse of AY bachcho of AY 17-18. Amount is how much? 25,000. Loss lapsed after AY 17-18 na 19, 20, 21, 22. AY 21, 22. Yes, still here all of you? And last one, last comment. Brought forward loss from textile business of AY 12-13. Again, that is gone. It is also now bachcho lapsed. AY 12-13. है ना? How much that is? 60,000. After 2021 is it? है ना? 13 ना 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Done, all of you? Once as soon as the bachcho say lapse, gone it is. You cannot do anything about it. है ना? Finally here? Ready? Question number 18. Bolo, you were saying something? Can we try? Let me first discuss. I'll help you first. I'll guide you. 18. Did you reach till here, all of you? Because I may have to make some changes, no? Matlab in the question or whatever it is. Miss Geeta, a resident individual, provides the following details of her income losses for the year ended 31st March 23. Salary received as partner from a firm 7,50,000. The same was allowed to the firm means what? The same was allowed to the firm means what? What do you mean by that? The same was allowed to the firm. Come on. Correct. It was allowed as a deduction to the firm. Correct. Expenditure. Loss on sale of shares listed on BSE 3 lakhs. Shares were held for 15 months and STD was paid on sale and acquisition. Can you give me section number? Correct. It is bachcho 112A loss. Then LTCG on sale of land 112 again. Fine. 51,000 received in cash from friends in Apache. Wow, nice. 55,000 received towards dividend on listed equity shares of domestic company. IOS. Brought forward business loss from AY. AY 1920. 1250. The return for AY 1920 was filed in time. That means that loss belongs to this year, na bachcho? Okay. So that year's return was filed in time. That means we can carry it forward basically. Okay. Compute GT of Geeta for AY 23-24 and ascertain the amount of loss that can be carried forward. So basically, just I can say this is eligible means this is a valid brought forward business loss. Whether it is falling or not falling in the current year, that is your headache. Chalo, give me bachcho total income. I hope it is not that tough. I'll give you 3-4 minutes. Come on. Chalega? Try bachcho. Come on. Even pen drive students, app students. And then restart the video, okay? Or resume the video once you have some answer.
Recording stopped.
Okay, Indrajit. Okay. Anybody online? Any answer? बोलो खुशबू अक्षय okay now answer changed okay okay I hope you know you don't have the option in exams okay Mansi you don't have option in the exam to check each other's answer है okay खुशबू अक्षय यूट्यूब पे कौन है लाइव कमेंट ही नहीं करते बोलो अक्षय बेटा आर यू देयर ओके ठीक है
Recording in progress.
Okay, let's go ahead everybody. These answers I got as total income for this question number 18. One of them is correct, which three of you or whatever majority of you have got it. That is 3,06,000. Okay. Okay, let's start बच्चों. Okay, let me write down. This is your loss. This is your income. What is the bachcha first income? Salary of a partner, na? 7,50,000, correct, no? Some of you might not have understood this or still have repeating the same errors. And I have been telling you, salary by partner bachcho is taxed under PGBP, not salaries chapter. 1,000 times I have discussed this now. Then loss on sale of shares, 15 months, so it is LTCL bachcho, correct na? Listed share, because of the listed shares, that's why listed shares, ठीक है? LTCL. Then there is LTCG. If you have any error or doubt, please ask me wherever you made error. LTCG, cash received 51,000 from friends, iOS, income from other sources. Dividend, iOS, so again they are same category, so I am not making them different. And brought forward business loss. Of AY 1920, yes, 8 years. So allowed in the current year, okay? LTCL, बच्चों only LTCG. Correct, clear all of you? Brought forward business loss, बच्चों only business income. And which one is business income? Salary by partner goes under PGBP. Correct, clear all of you? So yes. Once brought forward, बच्चों, it has to be in the same head of income. So it can't be adjusted against other heads of income. Yes, clear all of you? Correct? So write down computation of total income. Of Gita. For AY 23-24. Okay? Can you give me one of the reasons? I think I have already discussed, but why this statement is given, बच्चों? This one. What is the importance of why this statement is given? Anybody? So that the loss is बच्चों correctly carried forward and we can claim it, because it is a business loss, no? And we had seen in the condition that return has to be filed within due date to be eligible to carry it forward. It means in the adjustment, if at all you are given, the return was not filed within due date and still they have given a figure of brought forward, you can't claim it, bachcho. You can't claim it. Why? Because in the year of loss, the return was not filed within due date. Are you understanding? Everybody? Mansi, Akshay, Nitin, Indrajit, Khushbu, tell me. Pakka, na? Understood or no? Because we saw in section number 80 also just now, 80, to carry it forward, you need to file the return in time. So if at all you are given that it is brought forward loss, and in that year the return was not filed within time, then bachcho, it is now bachcho not eligible to be carried forward. So you can't claim, okay, as set off. So please be careful of that adjustment. Okay, can I go ahead? 18, no? Chalo. Particulars rupees. Ready? First one, PGBP, salary by partner or salary as a partner. $750,000, correct, na? 750, na? Correct, Leo? And can I reduce bachcho my business income, brought forward business income? Loss? Yes, I can. So less. What is the loss bachcho brought forward? 12 lakh 50. So can reduce bachcho 7 lakh 50. Entire income bachcho now no more taxable. है ना? Correct? Correct, clear all of you? Then LTCG. How much it is? 55 lakhs, sorry. And less LTCL. है ना? How much we have? 3 lakhs. Fine, all of you. Can we go ahead? Then what else we have? Income from other sources. I am directly writing the bunch of figures. 51,000, okay, plus 55,000. Both are fully taxable, no? No, sorry, outer column 2 lakhs, sorry. And here, bachcho, what we have? 1 lakh 6. total income. $3,06,000. Yes, everybody. Fine. Chalo. Which loss budget can we carry forward now? This is adjusted fully. Current there was only one loss. So there is only one another loss of brought forward bachcho. Agree till here? So I'll just write it as a note. Note. Brought forward 12.5 lakh. We adjusted 7.5 lakh, 5 lakhs. है ना? Can be carried forward till. It belongs to what बच्चों? AY 1920 है ना? So 27, 28 बच्चों, tell me. $1920 na? So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 27, 28. Sorry. Done. Walking. Ready, everybody? Let us do one more. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Question number 13. Question number 13. Let me read the question at least. Okay. Ready, bachcho? The following are the details of Srivatsan, a resident Indian aged 57, returning to the year in the 31st March 23. Income from salaries. Take it as computed, okay? But these are all computed figures. Loss from HP, okay. Loss from cloth business, normal business loss. Income from speculation. Loss from specified business 3580. Long-term gains on sale of urban land. Long-term loss on sale of listed shares 1,10,000. Loss from card games. Income from betting gross. LIC paid. LIC premium paid is but just section 80C. Deduction. You know? Compute total income and show that items eligible for carry forward. Do you want to try? But will you give me bachcho GTI or NTI? What do you want to give me? What will you give me? GTI or NTI? They have asked you NTI. So will you try GTI or NTI? Will you try bachcho NTI or GTI? Chalo, try NTI. Give me both the figures. Give me, whenever you give me answer, give me both. GTI, comma, NTI. Ready? Chalega na? Okay, everybody. Online students, app students also, pen drive students also. Pause the video, give your own answer. First find your own answer. And then restart the video. Okay? Chalo.
Recording stopped.
मजे ले रहा हूँ मैं तुम्हारे, है ना? बोलो. करो सवाल. रोतलू. कैसे पॉसिबल है नितिन? ठीक है ट्राई करो, क्या बोलूँ तुमको। ओके इंद्रजीत। नील लिख देता मैं, नील। ओके नितिन चलेगा क्या? ठीक है नील, नो प्रॉब्लम। ठीक है, क्योंकि दोनों के आंसर सही नहीं है वो अलग बात है। ट्राई एवरीबॉडी। ओके ठीक है। तेरा कितना है जीटीए नितिन? नॉट नितिन, इंदू। खुशबू कुछ आंसर आया? अब इंद्रजीत को मैंने रॉन्ग बोल दिया ना, तो उसका दिमाग चल रहा है कि क्या करूँ क्या करूँ क्या करूँ, है ना। ओके 33,000। तो दैट इज NTI 2,15,000, GTI फाइन, नो प्रॉब्लम। अक्षय 45,000 क्या है तेरा? GTI NTI क्या है? 45,000 NTI। ओके 2,05,000। ऑल ऑफ योर चेंजिंग इज जस्ट चेंजिंग योर आंसर। अक्षय कुछ आंसर आया? हाँ ठीक है, ओके 2,05,000 GTI। अक्षय ओ बेटा, अच्छा NTI, तेरा भी NTI आ गया 2,05,000, खतरनाक है। हाँ ठीक है, छोड़ो छोड़ो, इट्स ओके। अक्षय बेटा 2,15,000, ओके ठीक है चलेगा। ओके
Recording in progress.
these answers I got GTI 75 or 153 or 215 or NTI is 85 dash 45,000 33,000 2,05,000. One of the answers is correct. Okay, one of the answers is correct. Okay, who it is I'll tell you in some time. Let's solve. Okay, let's write down बच्चों। So loss or income, like I said, the table which you prepare like this, the one which I am preparing right now, that is to be only for your understanding. That is not expected in the examination. Okay, so income from salaries here, then HP loss, house property loss, then normal business loss, है ना, then speculative income, Then 35 AD loss. Then LTCG on sale of land. Then LTCL. Okay, card games loss. I hope you know it is a dead loss, card games loss, and casual income, or I'm just writing a betting. Fine till here? LIC paid is बच्चों expenditure. चलो. HP loss, yes, 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 no. Normal बच्चों, everywhere allowed except salary. So your no, yes, yes. Betting तो obviously बच्चों everywhere is by default no. है ना बच्चों? We can reduce nothing from betting loss, from betting income, sorry. Then 3580 loss only against 3580 income, so we don't have that. So again, this is no adjustment. Yes, still here, all of you. LTCL only against LTCG, nothing else. So no. And card games, बच्चों, is just simply dead loss. है ना? Clear till here? So computation of total income. Of, I think it is Sri Watson, no? All of you? Watson, Sri Watson. Correct. For AY 23-24. Particulars rupees. Fine, everybody. What do I have for Pochi? Income from salaries. Income from salaries. 2,20,000. Less HP loss. HP loss is 1,90,000 allowed. Yes, up to 2 lakhs बच्चों it is allowed. So 1,90,000 obviously also allowed. We cannot adjust anything else from salary, so 30,000 taxable. Yes, Chelio. Now what do you have? Speculative income. Speculative business income. It is 30,000 only. Okay. Correct, all of you? Do we also have for speculative which what we can reduce? Normal business. So yes, we can reduce less normal business loss. And that is normal business loss 2,40,000. Correct, we will reduce budget 30,000. Correct, Leo. Third, what income we have? LTCG. है ना? LTCG. How much on sale of land? I think it is on sale of land. 2,50,000. Okay, all of you. And do we have LTCL also? Yes. Some of you might have taken some different figure here. Okay, so less LTCL. How much is the LTCL? 1,10,000. I'll take बच्चों entire 2,10,000. I'll take बच्चों entire 1,10,000. Yes, still here. See, when you have that LTCL, if at all you want, I'll write on here 112A. Understand one thing. Understand. When you had income under 112A, income, okay, profit, then taxability was बच्चों above rupees 1 lakh. Okay, taxability was बच्चों above rupees 1 lakh. What I'm trying to tell you here is, we add the total income in the computation of what I'm talking about, long term capital gains under section 112A. Okay, let us say my LTCG gain under 112A is 1.5 lakhs. Okay, fine till here. But I tax बच्चों how much? If my LTCG under section 112A is 1.5 lakhs, I tax how much बच्चों? Only 50,000. Why? Because 1 lakh is exempt. But बच्चों, that exemption is not coming from section 10. Okay, that exemption is बच्चों not coming from section 10. It is just a change in the tax liability calculation. That to calculate tax under section 112A, ignore the first 1 lakh rupees. Are you getting my point or no, all of you? Tell me, did you understand or no? Got it? So here also bachcho loss will take entirely. Clear till here? So this is how much? 1,40,000. Balance LTCG है ना बच्चों? Clear till here? Now check here. HP loss was completely consumed. First we give priority to the same head of income. अरे हाँ, some of you missed this maybe then. That you can बच्चों reduce normal business loss and look in the question. How much is the normal business loss बच्चों? 2,40,000. I know Indrajit. And in the in the same head of income, how much you adjusted? 30,000. That means there is still बच्चों balance of 2,10,000. है ना? Understood? So write down less. I'm still writing current year. Balance normal business loss. Is it okay, everybody? Of rupees 2,10,000. But obviously, but you will adjust only how much? 1,40,000. Clear till here? Outer column nil. Then another head of income. है ना? The LTC is done. Betting income. It is basically it is income from other sources, but betting income. How much बच्चों? 45,000 है ना? Indrajit got it correct as well as I think Nitin had got it correct, but Nitin had no confidence. है ना Nitin? At least the GTI part. Correct. How much बच्चों? 75,000 GTI. Less. What do we write बच्चों? Chapter 6 deduction है ना? So first one, section 80C. Life insurance premium paid. Life insurance policy premium paid. Okay. LIC premium paid. How much is paid, बच्चों? 1,20,000. Yes, 1,20,000. How much can we claim? How much can we claim? Okay. 10%? किधर से लॉजिक लाया तूने 10%? कुछ भी. Paid बच्चों 1,20,000. How much will we claim? 75,000, 1,20,000, or some other answer. Answer is बच्चों 30,000. Star mark here also. Star mark here also if you made mistake. Why 30,000? Okay, Indrajit, good, congrats. Why बच्चों only 30,000? You can't reduce anything, even chapter 6A, from casual income. If I take entire 75,000, first of all, Nathan, it cannot be negative. Your deduction cannot be more than the gross total income. Okay? And then your right now deduction is 1,20,000. So maximum you could have written 75. But even 75 is, bachu, why not correct? Because if you write 75, that means you are reducing chapter 6A from casual income also. And in the tax rates, bachu, we had seen even chapter 6A is not allowed to be reduced from casual income. Clear till here, all of you? Arey haan, write down. Chapter 6A deduction cannot be reduced. Cannot be reduced. From casual income. Therefore restricted to rupees 30,000. So answer is rupees 45,000 net total income. Fine till here, all of you? Can I add one more question, extra question over here? Everybody? Can I add one more extra question over here? Give me final tax liability. Correct. Okay. Okay. Okay, Kushbu, Mansi, Akshay. Okay, Mansi. Akshay. I'll highlight certain things. I'm in the chapter of IOS, income from other sources. Casual income tax rate 30%. Chapter 6 say not allowed. What did you understand? Unexhausted BEL, basic essential limit, also not allowed to be reduced. Means The income which you are doing right now, income, how much NTI? 45,000 is who actually? 45,000. Betting income. Yes or no? All of you. Okay. 45,000 into 30% is how much? 13,500. Rebate also allowed. Allowed from casual income. Rebate is बच्चों allowed from casual income. 1,000 and 1,000 plus 4%. 40. Correct, no? So write down tax liability calculation. Understood earlier, all of you? Write down casual income. Is taxed at the rate of 30%. है ना? Under section 115B, no? Or BB? BB. Rebate up to rupees 12,500 is allowed. Since NTI doesn't exceed rupees 5 lakhs, है ना? All of you कर लियो? Okay, all of you? So just for the sake of calculation, particulars rupees, if you want, just do it quickly. It is at special income, by the way, na? Special income. At special rates, sir, not income, special rates. Okay, till here, all of you? Fine?
Recording stopped.
Take 10 minutes break. Or 15 minutes, 12, 15. चलेगा? 12:15 will start, 12:15 to 1:15 will take almost, ठीक है? So take a 10-15 minutes break. Break till 12:15. Okay? आ गए सब लोग? होनादा परिंदे घर आजा, घर आजा, घर आजा, घर आजा। ओ बेटा जी, अरे ओ बाबू जी। आए क्या सब लोग? फटाफट मैसेज करो तुम्हारे ग्रुप पे। चलो स्टार्ट ऑल्सो। नहीं मानसी, 4:15 to 7 वगैरह ब्रेक के साथ। आगे के सब लोग चलो फटाफट चालू करो, क्या वरना मैं। गुड, चलो शुरू करते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट।
Recording in progress.
One part is still remaining in this question. I just realized that page number, which question? 13, no? Not this. Which losses you need to carry forward? Okay, everybody, can you do that? Just let's finish it off. Losses to be carried forward. Ready, everybody? Losses to be carried forward. Tell me, is HP loss completely utilized? 13 question, no? Yes, done. Then income 35 AD loss that you have to carry forward. बच्चों, tell me, है ना? So write down loss amount and years. Okay. 35 AD specified business loss, है ना? How much is this? 20,000. How many years बच्चों can you carry forward? All of you. How many years can you carry forward? We are talking of capital expenditure बच्चों. That's why we have lots of time to carry it forward indefinitely. Okay, correct? No? Okay, 35 loss done. Then LTCL, did we recover entirely 1,10,000? We consumed it, no? We absorbed it. Yes. So 1,10,000 is completely gone. Loss from card games. Card games loss. $32,000. Correct. It is a dead loss. Correct, everybody? No carry forward. Okay. This I missed. Huh? Loss from cloth business 2,40,000. So cloth business loss. I am writing here, pay attention. Originally we had 2,40,000 loss, correct? That I set off from, I think, nothing. 30,000. First batch 30,000 I set off, correct? And then I set off from LTCG 1,40,000, correct? This is how you should show the calculation. How much loss is remaining? Okay. So 30 and 40, 70,000 na? Remaining. Correct? And it is of your current year. So bachcho, total 8 years. We can carry it forward. Done, everybody? Yes? Alright, chalo then, let's move ahead. Akshay, all okay? Question number 8. Ready? Question number 8. Computer GTI of Mr. F for AY 23-24 from the following given information. Net income from HP. Okay, net income from HP, take it as computed. Okay. Income from business before providing depreciation. STCG on sale of shares. LTCL on sale of property. It is brought forward from AY 2021. Income from T business computed. Okay, that means it is the net profit. Computed means it is bicho net profit. That is net profit. Finally here, dividend from Indian companies carrying on agricultural operations. Tell me, taxable or exempt? Okay, Mansi. Correct. It is taxable. Dividend bachcho is taxable. Yeah. It doesn't matter what the business company does. Dividend bachcho is taxable. iOS. Then current year depreciation and brought forward business loss. Loss was incurred 6 years ago. So basically it is allowed because we can carry forward up to 8 years. Yes? You want to try, or should we do it together? Or shall we do simultaneously? Question number 8. Try 2 minutes. Take your time.
Recording stopped. Recording in progress.
Pen drive students, app students, please try this question first on your own. Arrive at some answer and then again resume with the video. Okay?
Recording stopped. Recording in progress.
Let me just tell you, income from T business computed means it is a net profit. So understand, we have to bifurcate between taxable and good, between taxable and agri. Okay, what the figure given to you is net profit, that you have to apportion between agri and business. Clear, all of you? So tell me, bachu, can LTCL be, in this given case, can it be reduced anywhere? No, because we don't have LTCG. Okay, Indrajit, that was fast. And brought forward business loss, bachu, only same head of income. So HP, no. Normal business, yes. STCG, no. T business, yes. IOS, no. Alright. Okay, Nitin, good.
Recording stopped.
Calculate Khushbu, Akshay, Mansi. Okay.
Recording in progress.
Most of you have given the correct answer, so let's go ahead. Let's check. Particulars. Rupees. Let's start. So income from house property, first one. Are we adjusting anything from house property? Nothing. So take it in outer column. 125. Yes. Second, business income. First, I'm taking bachcha normal business income. How much? 135. Correct, Ilya? What should I reduce first? Everybody. Current year depreciation. So less, most important bachcho. Okay. Current year depreciation is 26. Now, but at least I have something to reduce. It is how much? 1,09,000, no? Then check. Again, bachcho, priority what? Do we have current year any kind of losses? Nothing, no? So only bachcho are brought forward business loss. So let's brought forward business loss. है ना बच्चों? It is within 8 years, no? 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. Just tell you. So is it versus what? 64,000? 45, 55, 55 and 9, 64. 64,000. But B बच्चों, which one you have? T business. What ratio we take बच्चों? Proportion 40% है ना बच्चों? 40% of NP, 40% of 1,24,000 3 हाँ 12 4 48,000. All right. And then बच्चों, what do we have? Your third head of income from, no, we have STCG also. Short term capital gain. Are we reducing anything from बच्चों from STCG? Nothing. Take it in outer column then. How much? 56,000. And lastly, fourth, income from other sources, that is dividend. Okay. Also no adjustment over there from dividend. So directly outer column 80,000. That was a very simple question. No loss also to be बच्चों carry forward ना, to be carried forward है ना. Total income 373 I think. Yes, Celia? Okay. No notes to be written because there are no losses to be carried forward. Question number 9, 11.7. Oh, sorry. Ready? Chalo. Mr. Garg, a resident individual, furnishes the following details for his office income for PY 22-23. Income from salaries. Okay. Income from business before depreciation, LTCG on sale of land, loss on maintenance of race horses, loss on gambling. The other details of unabsorbed depreciation and brought forward losses pertaining to AY. Okay, AY 21-22. AY 21-22 are as follows. Of that year, okay? Unabsorbed depreciation, loss from speculative business, short-term capital loss of those years. Compute GTI of Garg for AY 23-24 and the amount of loss, if any, that can be carried forward or not. Try. Chalega na? Instead of giving you homework and instead of doing spoon feeding, try it, all of you. The first part I'll do it with you. Second part, try. Loss oblique income. What do we have income? Salary, normal business, LTCG, racehorse loss, racehorse business loss, correct? Gambling is of no use actually, है ना? Fine till here? Then unabsorbed depreciation. Then speculative. It belongs to AY 21-22. and STCL. Again same AY 21-22. Try.
Recording stopped.
Give me taxable income. Okay. Okay. Others? Others? Those who are remaining, come on. Okay. And last? हमेशा last? Okay. Answer? Aki always looks at everybody's answer first, है ना? Then he puts one of the answer as answer. है ना Aki? Who is Aki? अरे अक्षय रे बाबा, ये कौन सी दुनिया में पैदा हुआ था इंद्रजीत तू? हाँ? क्या निकनेम है? अरे वो है क्या नहीं अक्षय? उसको ज़रा उठा रे ज़रा नितिन, उसको जगा उसको. ओके हाँ, कुछ तो आंसर दे, चलेगा ना. हो गया, उसका आंसर आ गया. ठीक है, फाइन.
Recording in progress.
Okay, so some kind of answers I got. One of them is correct. Okay, let's write down बच्चों. Race horse business, everywhere no. Why? Because it can be adjusted only against race horse income. है ना बच्चों? Clear till here? Unabsorbed depreciation. What happens? What is unabsorbed depreciation? Depreciation of the earlier years when you had loss in that year. Tell me, what about unabsorbed depreciation? It can be reduced from other incomes also. Yes, except salary. अरे हाँ या ना? It can be reduced from all the heads of income except salary. Speculative, only against speculative. So बच्चों, no. STCL बच्चों, only against LTCG, 8 years, yes. But salary, no. And normal business also, no. Yes, clear all of you? चलो, particulars rupees. Computation. Of total income of Garg. for AY 23-24. Particulars rupees. What do we have? Salary income, nothing to be, we can reduce from salary income. है ना? So income from salary बच्चों directly outer column. Fine. Normal business income. Are you given बच्चों current depreciation? नहीं ना? But 66,000. Yes, Celia? Now do you remember the priority of Setoff? Priority of Setoff. As it is बच्चों from normal business, what can we reduce? Unabsorbed depreciation only. Look at the table we have prepared. Okay, so I'll give that only that remains. है ना? So less unabsorbed depreciation. $11,000 है ना बच्चों? Anything else can I reduce? Nothing. So 55,000. Final year? All of you okay till here? Then third, what do I have? LTCG. How much is that? 10,800. Less. Brought forward STCL. Allowed, na? 9,800. Fine, everybody. So 1,000 taxable. Right? Done. Anything else to be done? Total income. How much? Tell me. बोलो. हाँ salary have not taken. Why बच्चों 15,000 you ignored? हाँ इंद्रजीत, good, congrats. You, Khushbu, Mansi were correct. Done, all of you? Write down losses to be carried forward. That is getting all repetitive, na? क्या करें? Practice makes man and woman perfect. ठीक है, we'll change the sequence of questions then. चलेगा? Right, losses to be carried forward. Always look at the question that is much easier to finalize. So loss, type of loss, rupees and yours. Okay everybody? Look at the question. Law type of loss. Maintenance of race horse, है ना? Race horse business loss. 15,000. How many years? Total 4 years. Okay, I'm just writing with your total 4 years. Gambling. Gambling loss 9,100. Dead loss. Therefore, no carry forward. STCL did we absorb entirely? Yes. Unabsorbed depreciation did you do absorb entirely? Yes. Speculative remaining, speculative did we do? No, no. So brought forward speculative. $22,000. This belongs to AY 21-22. Total 4 years. है ना बच्चों? Right? All of you? Total 4 years. Yes, sir. Let's do one small time pass question. Chalo. Let's break the patterns. Okay. Ready, everybody? Question number 1. A loss of rupees 85,000 was sustained by Simran in the activity of owning and maintaining camels for races. What are the tax implications? My goodness. Hey Habibi, come to Dubai. Okay, over there. Not Registan, Rajasthan maybe. Now where else you want camel races? They can give you dog races, buffalo races, tell me. I know, correct. That is why Registan is called Rajasthan, है ना? Or Rajasthan is called Registan. Fine. Now that but your race horses business was specifically for whom? अरे सिमरन नहीं रे बाबा. Correct. For horse. Correct, Lilia? But bachcho, we have what Simran is doing business from not race horsing of camels. Race horsing of camels. Correct, everybody? So it is not covered under horse racing. So horse racing provisions will not be applicable. But she is still doing activity and owning or maintaining. So it will be a normal business. Okay, everybody? It will be treated as a normal business. है ना? Right now. Am I feeling lazy or you are also feeling lazy? I don't know. Question number 1. Ready? I mean that point number 1. In case of In case of loss relating to, in case of loss relating to owning and maintaining camel for races, camel for races, comma, it will be treated as normal business. Okay, everybody? Comma, which can be set off, against any head of income except which one? Salaries. Except salaries. You know, full stop. Also, it can be carried forward for next 8 years because we are treating it as a normal business loss. You know. That clear, all of you? Question number 2. Star mark, star mark. No, don't try. Question number 2. Check here. The details of Mr. A are given below. Financial year 22-23, and the next financial year given to you is 23-24 financial year, that is PY. Final year, okay. We have bachcho what? Income from salary, income from HP1, income from HP2. Okay. Something in bracket they have given in negative, so it is a loss. Final year, and income from other sources. Okay. iOS also we have. Calculate taxable income of both the years, we will find. Okay, for both the years 22-23 PY and 23-24 PY. Assuming brought forward HP loss of FY 21-22, just behind FY 21-22 is rupees 1 lakh. Is rupees 1 lakh. Okay, everybody? Arey haan, tell me. There is also bachcho loss, huh? 1,50,000. Okay, everybody? So let's start. Write down. Now we don't have to prepare a table and all for that because there are hardly 2-3 things. There is only one loss of HP. So write down computation of income of A, Mr. A. Let us first find out. So writing a point number 1, case number 1 for our regular AY 23-24. Okay, AY. Okay, bachcho, AY I am writing. That is PY 22-23, hai na? Particulars rupees. Ready? Finally, all of you. Chalo. Let's give it in the column, outer column. Income from salaries. How much? 4 lakhs. Inner column. Correct now, everybody? Now, okay. This is that with this we can adjust. From here we can reduce our HP income. But look our HP income, bacho, please understand. Is there loss or no in the current year HP? Tell me this. Means when I set off the profits and loss against each other in the same head of income. Okay? HP1 profit 1 lakh and HP2 loss 8.5 lakhs. So HP figure is nil. And current year, pay attention, what did I say? Current year HP loss is how much, bacho? 7.5 lakhs. Chalega? Understood or no, everybody? Tell me. है ना? Second. Income from HP. HP1 1 lakh positive. HP2 loss rupees 8.5 lakhs. But I'll reduce only bacho what 1 lakhs. So basically income from HP is negative or no? I mean not negative, sorry, nil or no? Income from house property is nil. Okay, everybody? ठीक है? Set off against. HP loss bachcho can set off against anybody or no? Yes. So let us set off against salary. Are you getting my point or no? Set off against salary. But how much bachcho? Salary increase 4 lakhs. HP loss balance. I'll write down here what? Set off against salary bachcho. HP loss balance is how much? 7.5 lakhs. How much can we? Very good, Akshay. Very good. Very good, Mansi. Good, Indrajit. Kuzbo. नहीं समझा? ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है. Income, see, I should have finalized first income from HP. Income from HP is how much? House property 1 and house property 2. HP1 is positive. HP2 is 8.5 lakhs loss. Within themselves we can adjust, no? Correct, na? There are only two HPs, house property 1 and 2. So therefore, HP1's income has been reduced, hai na? And HP but overall is nil. But overall HP2 loss was 8.5 lakhs. Out of that we set off only 1 lakh. So HP loss remaining is how much? 7.5 lakhs. Nah, I hope you're understanding. So income from HP, loss I'm talking, let us say loss, is 7.5 lakhs, which we can reduce from any other head of income including salary. 7.5 lakhs. But my salary is bacho 4 lakhs. Correct, Khushbu. So set off against salary. Limited up to rupees 2 lakhs. Important. Okay, everybody? Are high na? So I'm writing here, therefore salary income was how much, bacho? 4 lakhs less HP loss 2 lakhs. Okay, everybody? Therefore, income from salaries, how much? 2 lakhs. है ना? Got it clear, all of you? And third, income from other sources we have. Income from other sources, है ना बच्चों? I think that was what, 50,000 something? Check. Directly outer column, 50,000. Fine, therefore, taxable income, है ना? चलो, notes. First, losses to be carried forward. Losses to be carried forward, है ना? First one. Can we take the बच्चों old HP loss? And run whatever you want to write. You want to write on AY to write AY, PY to PY, depending on you. HP loss of AY 22-23. How much rupees? 1 lakh. Total how many years? 8 years. अरे है ना? Okay? 30-31 correct. And do we have current year HP loss also? Yes. How much? It was initially 8.5 lakhs, remember? 8.5. Minus in the same head of income, 1. Minus बच्चों from salaries, 2. Is it right बच्चों? है ना? So reduce 3, 5.5 lakhs. Again total 8 years. That is still AY. This is your which AY current year na 23-24. 4 plus 8, 32. 1 year added na. Done everybody? Now, second part. Very important ना बच्चों. Second part. Computation of income for next year now, okay? For next year. For AY. 24-25. For AY बच्चों 24-25. Particulars rupees. Ready? Same thing बच्चों will do. What we'll do? We will first finish this time HP, okay? Because HP needs to be adjusted ना against salary, है ना? रेडी? आउच. चलो, let us first finish income from HP first. HP1 again, there is profit 3.5 lakhs less HP2 loss. It is loss of HP2 is of 1,50,000. There is HP income of 2 lakhs. Correct, everybody? What should we do? Ouch. Correct. Less. Brought forward a HP loss. But of which year? First, bachcho obviously prefer the older one. Okay? AY. The details given to you is in FY, but AY 22-23. Arey haan. Which was I think rupees 1 lakh. है ना? I hope you're understanding. Balance 1 lakh.
Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon.
Pouch.
Less.
Pouch. Without exam without pouch जाना तो इनसे.
जुगाड़ किया क्या?
इधर ही भूल गया था.
कौन सा पेपर था आज?
आज है वो CMA अभी.
कितने बजे?
2:35. 2.5 घंटा कौन देता पेपर को? वाला काम 3:27 को ही हो गया.
निकल.
वो टीचर मेरे को आधा घंटा रुका रही, बोल रही इतना जल्दी कैसे लिखे होगा. मैंने पूरा पेपर चेक करती बैठी क्या क्या लिखा है इसमें. फिर उसको कुछ समझा नहीं तो छोड़ दिया.
सही. बाय बाय. दरवाजा लगा.
हाँ.
एंड लास्ट ईयर का HP लॉस. फनी स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ 11th स्टैंडर्ड. AY 23-24. Balance 5.5 lakhs, but will take what obviously reduce 1 lakh. So balance HP loss remains 4.5 lakhs. Okay, all of you? Now there remains no loss of the current XP, by the way. है ना? So I can't reduce anything from salaries, बच्चों. Correct. Second, income from salaries. Income from salaries, how much? 6 lakhs, outer column. And third, iOS, income from other sources, 1. Total income. $7 lakhs. And notes. First one. Balance HP loss. Okay. Of which one, bachcho? Of AY. Is rupees 4.5 lakhs. है ना? Clear till here? Of that year is AY. Of that year is 4.5 lakhs because we had brought forward 5.5. From that, in the current year, we utilized 1 lakhs. So 4.5 bachcho will be carried forward. Chalega? Question number 11 for homework. Okay, everybody? Done until here? Done? Just add 1 years, okay, बच्चों? Just add 1 years everywhere. Okay. Question number 11 for homework. Do you want one big question also? Will you try? Ooh. Try 15 then, 1 5. 15. चलेगा? Add 1 years, don't forget 17, 18, 17, 18, AY. You'll also make it 15. ठीक है. Question 15 also homework. Fine, Delia, all of you, at least try both of them. Sixteen. AY 19, 20. AY 15, 16. Till AY 19, 20. Just add 1 years, okay? Fine till here, all of you? Okay, all of you? Chalo. Alright. Chalo, that is it for income tax for today. Okay, all of you?
Recording stopped.
Bye bye, YouTube.